AZCO Corp designed and manufactured an all-electric cut-to-length assembly that can precisely cut, dispense, and package test strip material into bottles that is manually fed by the operator. Side guides can be manually adjusted to fit the width of the material. Individual sheets of material are manually loaded into the guides. A high-precision silicone O-ring roller pulls the material into the knife assembly. A leading-edge sensor will sense a register mark on the material and signal the unit to cycle. The knife cuts material into precise pieces. Cut pieces fall down the short exit chute and into a bottle. Bottle holder can manually be adjusted to align with the exit chute opening. Optional material flow package allows material to freely slide down the outfeed slide, eliminating static buildup. Knife assembly and exit chute are contained in clear safety guarding. Leading and trailing edge sensor positions are digitally displayed. The unit has a touchscreen for easy setup and operation. Custom cut lengths and cycles can be input on the touchscreen. Please give us a call to discuss your application. Don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channels.